All right, everybody, A-0635. Need to get a door here. I'll ask David Bray to come in and get a 3070 right hand. Mr. Shaw, if I could please get a 2x2 access panel for this, and Mr. Owen Burkhead, can I get another condensate pump? This failed. I'll get our owners to look at doing some of this work with the existing units. I think they probably haven't been considered for a while. Our floor turned out really well. I'm quite happy with that, and the colors. A little bit of leftover. I'm gonna be real honest with you, Cameron. I know you're gonna hate me when I say this, but let's pull that carpet and put some LVT down in that front vestibule, or it's going to be ruined. I'm sorry. Tell me what I owe you. Drywall guys, you already know what I'm gonna say. I can't leave mixing mud on floor in the grout. It's not funny. Mr. Jagoda, let's get together next week and get a piece of casework built for this. We did take the television out. We raffled it off, and we made a total of 37 cents, which we will put towards something good, probably a piece of gum. I need John, if I could get you all to swap this dumpster out Monday morning, I would appreciate it. And Ben, get with me on these lights. I'm gonna send you a video on where they're to go. Our damaged walls are right to the point of being finished, so I'm happy about that. We'll be painting these next week, I know. We're real close here, folks. I really cannot complain at all. Our client is bringing some of their stuff in. We will start collectively getting all of this stuff cleaned up and finished up. So that's about what we're looking like. I'll reach out in the video to make sure that everybody's got what they got to get. So we'll talk to you all soon. Have a great Oaks.